Hi there and welcome. Today we're showcasing the KUCHYNEE Rose Gold Glitter Laser Cut Wedding Invitation Kit, featuring 50 beautifully crafted invitation pockets with intricate floral designs. Each pocket measures 5.1 by 7.1 inches and is made from durable 250G paper with glitter that won't shed. Inside, you'll find 50 blank pearlescent inner sheets that are 4.9 by 6.9 inches, perfect for adding your personalized text or graphics. The kit also includes 50 white envelopes and matching seals to complete your elegant invitations. These invitations are ideal for weddings, quinceañeras, bridal showers, anniversaries, and more special events. Plus, the inner sheets are printable, and free templates are available to help you create your perfect invite. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.